Since the 19th century, the Jamaica Agricultural Society JAS has been at the forefront of agricultural promotion, hosting many exhibits throughout the island. The standout event is the yearly Denbigh Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show. For its 69th year, Jamaica's premier food show returned to the Denbigh Showground in Clarendon on August 5 to 7, attracting a larger flock than expected. The goal for this year's show was to provide consumers with great service that was both instructive and interactive, all while emphasizing the theme, grow what we eat what we grow.
This year's staging of Denbigh, the 69th staging, showcases a remarkable display of innovation and forward thinking within the realm of agriculture. The event provides us with a vivid glimpse into the evolving landscape of agricultural practices, where cutting-edge techniques and visionary approaches are on full display.
It had an outpouring of exhibitors, accompanying an array of fun attractions, competitions, and jerk pans.
This year, I must speak specifically about our Farm Queen competition, and there has been a significant improvement in the quality of our young ladies this year. Along with that, although we did have a significant drought, the pavilion still did not look as bad as some people would have expected. They still competed, and they were able to present themselves and their parish in a way that makes you feel as if things are happening. When you look at youth in agriculture, yes, on the first day, it was significant what you see, and the minister within the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, they have been stressing on the importance of getting young people to be a part of the agriculture sector.
Patrons and indeed the Portfolio Minister were amazed at the talent displayed by the young agriculturalist at Denbigh 2023.
He has designed a system which is a precision irrigation system, which everything is monitored from his phone, that sends out irrigation based on the temperature and the soil moisture index, that includes mulching, has a battery backup that is solar run, and that is just one of 3 or 4 innovations that we saw.
Denbigh also put established and would-be farmers in touch with agencies that can help them grow.
So what we're really doing is promoting youth in agriculture, promoting youth to be engaged in agriculture, and try to shift the stigma that is associated with agriculture amongst the young people.
Every section of our booth is attractive to different persons. So RADA is the Agricultural Extension Agency. What does that mean? We provide technical support for farmers, good agricultural practice in livestock, home economic social services, water management. So when you come to our booth, we are giving you the full complement of the good agricultural practices regardless of what you do. We are featuring this year how to make bales of hay, silage, and goat milk production.
And I got to witness everything from novel farming approaches to creative technological implementations. And of course, the livestock stole the show.
The first thing that they need to do on the local level, get in touch with their local JAS branches. register. It's only $500 to become a member or $1,500 to become a direct member. So register, get in touch with your local parish manager, and then they will guide you through the process.
This Denbigh show is an important demonstration of Jamaica's ability to feed itself, our food security, our food self-sufficiency. At the elemental level, the farmer is a very important guarantor of our freedom. You are fundamental to Jamaica's independence. You are critical to us being able to say we are an independent people because we can put food on our own table. Keep on growing Jamaica.